Good afternoon, LCCube here. Here's a quick review of the GAN Rubik Speed Cube. The package comes with a nice bag and a tensioning tool in plastic. The cube is covered with matte tiles instead of stickers, which is really good because non-cubers won't be able to say, "I just peel the stickers off." The turning of this cube is very smooth and pretty amazing for a Rubik's branded cube. Corner cutting is slightly behind the average speed cube, but that's okay because you won't be needing 45 degrees anyways. Here's my top 3 solves of this session.